Safeguard your herd. In-depth discussion on 5 vital goat vaccines. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you valuable insights on goat farming. In this video we'll have an in-depth discussion on 5 vital goat vaccines. I'm your host, your goat farmer, and let's get started with the topic, Safeguard your herd. In-depth discussion on 5 vital goat vaccine. 1. CD&T vaccine. In this segment, we'll discuss the causes, symptoms, and the importance of administering the CD&T vaccine to safeguard your goats from Clostridium perfringens type C and D, as well as tetanus. Causes. Clostridium perfringens type C and D are bacteria commonly found in the environment, particularly in the soil and the digestive tract of animals. These bacteria can produce toxins that can cause severe health issues in goats. Symptoms. When goats are infected with Clostridium perfringens type C and D or exposed to tetanus, they may experience symptoms such as abdominal pain, bloating, diarrhea, fever, lethargy, and in severe cases, sudden death. Tetanus, specifically, can cause muscle stiffness and spasms. Importance of vaccination. Administering the CD&T vaccine is essential to protect your goats from these life-threatening diseases. The vaccine stimulates the goat's immune system to create antibodies that can neutralize the toxins produced by Clostridium perfringens and provide immunity against tetanus. By vaccinating your goats with CD&T, you significantly reduce the risk of them developing severe illnesses and experiencing the associated symptoms. This helps to ensure their overall health and well-being. Additionally, the CD&T vaccine is a preventive measure that can help prevent outbreaks within your herd. It not only protects the vaccinated goats but also contributes to herd immunity, reducing the spread of these diseases among susceptible animals. In conclusion, administering the CD&T vaccine is crucial in safeguarding your goats from Clostridium perfringens type C and D infections, as well as tetanus. By understanding the causes, recognizing the symptoms, and taking proactive measures through vaccination, you can protect the health of your goats. Consult with a veterinarian to determine the appropriate CD&T vaccination schedule and dosage for your goats. They can provide tailored guidance to ensure your herd receives the necessary protection against these diseases. 2. Caseous lymphadenitis vaccine. In this segment, we'll discuss the causes, symptoms, and the importance of administering the Caseous lymphadenitis (CL) vaccine to safeguard your goats from this devastating illness. Causes. Caseous lymphadenitis, also known as CL, is a contagious bacterial infection caused by the bacterium Corynebacterium pseudotuberculosis. Symptoms. The symptoms of CL in goats can include abscesses in various parts of the body, including the lymph nodes. These abscesses are usually firm, inflamed, and may contain thick, cheesy pus. Importance of vaccinations. Administering the CL vaccine is essential in protecting your goats from this highly contagious and chronic disease. The vaccine stimulates the goat's immune system, helping it develop immunity against the bacterium that causes CL. By vaccinating your goats against CL, you can significantly reduce the risk of them contracting the disease and developing abscesses. This not only improves their overall health but also prevents the spread of CL within your herd. Additionally, the CL vaccine can help reduce the economic losses associated with the disease. Infected goats can experience reduced productivity and may require expensive treatment and management practices to control the spread of the infection. In conclusion, administering the Caseous lymphadenitis (CL) vaccine is vital in safeguarding your goats from this devastating illness. By understanding the causes, recognizing the symptoms, and proactively vaccinating your goats, you can protect their health and prevent the spread of CL within your herd. Consult with a veterinarian to determine the appropriate CL vaccination schedule and dosage for your goats. They can provide you with expert guidance on implementing an effective vaccination program to keep your goats healthy and productive. 3. Goat polio vaccine. One of the essential vaccinations for goats is the goat polio vaccine. In this segment, we'll explore the causes, symptoms, and the importance of administering this vaccine to safeguard your goats from this devastating illness. Causes. Goat polio, also known as polio encephalomalacia, is caused by a thiamine deficiency in goats. Thiamine is a vital nutrient that plays a crucial role in their nervous system function. The deficiency can occur due to several factors, including improper diet, digestive disturbances, or the presence of certain toxins. Symptoms. Recognizing the symptoms of goat polio is crucial in preventing further complications. Some common symptoms include head pressing, staggering or unsteady gait, blindness, muscle tremors, and even seizures. If left untreated, the disease can progress rapidly and lead to severe neurological damage or even death. Importance of vaccinations. Administering the goat polio vaccine is of utmost importance to protect your goats from this devastating illness. The vaccine contains a concentrated form of thiamine, which helps supplement the deficiency and strengthen the goat's nervous system. By vaccinating your goats against goat polio, you provide them with the necessary protection to combat thiamine deficiencies and reduce the risk of developing neurological complications. The vaccine stimulates the goat's immune system to create a defense against the disease, ensuring their overall well-being. Additionally, administering the goat polio vaccine is a preventive measure that significantly reduces the chances of a polio outbreak within your herd. It not only protects the goats who receive the vaccine but also helps to prevent the spread of the disease to others that are susceptible. In conclusion, administering the goat polio vaccine is vital in safeguarding your goats from this devastating illness. By understanding the causes, recognizing the symptoms, and taking proactive measures, such as vaccination, you can ensure the health and well-being of your herd. Remember to consult with a veterinarian to determine the appropriate vaccination schedule and dosage for your goats. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific herd's needs and help you maintain a proactive approach to goat health care. 4. Pneumonia vaccine. In this segment, we'll discuss the causes, symptoms, and the importance of administering the pneumonia vaccine to safeguard your goats from this devastating illness. Causes. Pneumonia in goats can be caused by various factors, including bacterial, viral, or fungal infections, as well as environmental conditions such as cold and damp environments. Symptoms. The symptoms of pneumonia in goats can include coughing, difficulty breathing, rapid or labored breathing, nasal discharge, fever, loss of appetite, and lethargy. Importance of vaccination. Administering the pneumonia vaccine is crucial for protecting your goats from this respiratory disease. The vaccine stimulates the goat's immune system, enabling it to develop immunity against the pathogens that cause pneumonia. By vaccinating your goats against pneumonia, you can significantly reduce the risk of them contracting the disease and experiencing severe respiratory distress. This helps maintain the overall health and well-being of your herd. Additionally, the pneumonia vaccine plays a crucial role in preventing the spread of the disease within your herd. Vaccinated goats are less likely to become carriers of the pathogens, reducing the transmission of pneumonia to other susceptible animals. In conclusion, administering the pneumonia vaccine is vital in safeguarding your goats from this devastating respiratory illness. By understanding the causes, recognizing the symptoms, and proactively vaccinating your goats, you can protect their respiratory health and prevent the spread of pneumonia within your herd. Consult with a veterinarian to determine the appropriate pneumonia vaccination schedule and dosage for your goats. They can provide you with expert guidance on implementing an effective vaccination program to keep your goats healthy and thriving. 5. Brucellosis vaccine. In this segment, we'll discuss the causes, symptoms, and the importance of administering the brucellosis vaccine to safeguard your goats from this devastating illness. Causes. Brucellosis is a highly contagious bacterial infection caused by the bacterium Brucella. It can be transmitted to goats through contact with infected animals, contaminated environments, or consumption of contaminated feed and water. Symptoms. Goats infected with brucellosis may exhibit symptoms such as reproductive issues, including abortion, stillbirths, and reduced fertility. Other signs can include swollen joints, weight loss, decreased milk production, and overall weakness. Importance of vaccinations. Administering the brucellosis vaccine is vital to protect your goats from this serious disease. The vaccine stimulates the immune system of goats, providing them with immunity against brucella infection. By vaccinating your goats against brucellosis, you can significantly reduce the risk of them contracting the disease and experiencing the associated health problems. This helps maintain the health and productivity of your herd. Moreover, the brucellosis vaccine is essential for preventing the spread of the disease within your herd and to other animals. Vaccinated goats are less likely to become carriers of the bacteria, minimizing the risk of transmission to other susceptible animals. In conclusion, administering the brucellosis vaccine is crucial in safeguarding your goats from this devastating illness. By understanding the causes, recognizing the symptoms, and taking proactive measures through vaccination, you can protect the health and well-being of your goats. Consult with a veterinarian to determine the appropriate brucellosis vaccination schedule and dosage for your goats. They can provide you with expert guidance on implementing an effective vaccination program for your herd. That concludes our video on Safeguard Your Herd, in-depth discussion on 5 vital goat vaccines. By understanding the importance of vaccinations, staying up to date with the recommended shots, and working closely with a veterinarian, you can ensure the optimal health and longevity of your goat herd. Remember, prevention is key to maintaining a thriving and disease-free farm. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable insights on goat farming. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy goat farming.